Hello, I want to do a quick demonstration for the new general education CALGETC. To search for CALGETC while using any browser, you should be able to look for Mt.SAC Counseling Department and open the link to our department. Or at the website for counseling, you see that this resources tab, and scroll down, locate general education requirements, and you see the first general education requirement at the top of the page is CALGETC. I'm using the 2526, but this could change depending on when you are taking this class. So be mindful of that. But CALGETC is the new pattern effective for 2025. All students planning on transferring to California State University, University of California, will have to go by this CALGETC. And like I said, you could still use the old general education patterns, IGETC and California State University general education patterns. But if unsure of which pattern to use, feel free to come and meet with a counselor so we can look at your situation separately or one-on-one. So if you open this link, CALGETC, you see the title at the top, and then you see the description here, which is simple. I don't have to read the whole thing. You can go through that during your free time. Then in area 1, this is sectioned into like 6 sections. English communication, choose one course from each group. So group A, 1 class, group B, all those listed, 1 class, and then from C, 1 class. So you should have 3 classes, 1 from each group. Area 2, you need 1 class, 1 mathematics class, that is, again, all these listed math classes. Choose your favorite class. Area 3, arts and humanities, you choose 2 classes minimum, making sure you choose 1 from arts courses and 1 from humanities courses. And then from the next area, which is area number 4, social behavioral sciences, you choose 2 classes, but make sure that these 2 classes are from 2 different subjects. For instance, you could take a class in history of your choice, and a class in psychology. Or you could take a class in economics, a class in sociology. So you make sure that 2 classes are from 2 different subjects. And then the next category, area 5, physical and biological sciences. From physical science, you choose 1 class. From biological sciences, you choose 1 class, making sure, according to instructions here at the top, that one of the 2 classes is a lab. So you could take, for instance, astronomy 5 lecture. It does not have a plus sign, which means it does not come with a lab. And then on the right side, you could take a class like anthropology 1, but then you have to decide if you want to take anthropology 1 lab to correspond to anthropology 1, or you want to do the astronomy 5 with 5 lab. That means if I want to take astronomy 5 here with 5 lab, then I can just choose to take anthropology 1 without a lab. Or you could do vice versa. The choice is yours. Okay, if there's confusion on that, you feel free to see a counselor. We are here to speak to you. Area 6, you need a class in ethnic studies. And then optional. This area here is required to be certified at California State University before you graduate, from like Cal Poly Pomona, Cal State Fullerton, Cal State LA. To graduate from any Cal State, you have to have a class in U.S. history and American institutions. So you have a choice of going with option 1, history 7 and history 8. Or if you don't want to restrict yourself just to history classes, you can choose a class from the category of history in option 2 and a category of class in political science. So what people do to avoid taking too many classes, you can take a class, like let's say you choose history 1 here or political science here. You can use those 2 classes to satisfy the areas above. Like if I'm using political science to satisfy area 4, right? Political science C1000, that meets the US institutions, and therefore I'm good with that. It can be used here, and therefore you already have met the American institutions by taking political science C1000. You could also be creative and use history 1 to satisfy the humanities. So you have used history to satisfy humanities, you have used political science to satisfy social behavioral science. That will help in making sure that you meet the requirements of US history and American institutions classes somewhere in your general education. These are not supposed to be extra classes, but you could use them to satisfy the areas 3 and 4 at your own option. If that needs more clarification, not a problem. Come talk to a counselor and we are going to be able to assist you on understanding this more clearly. And at the top of counseling website, you can see here, connect with a counselor, make a counseling appointment, or do express Zoom counseling. That way, if you don't want to make a trip to Mt.SAC, you can be still assisted by the way of Zoom. So hopefully that makes things clear on how to use CALGETC to meet your general education requirements, which gives you about 45 units towards transfer. You need 60 total or more. So the other 15 units or more could be from your major, and that's when you refer to the website assist.org. Okay? Thank you so much for being a great audience.